国际新闻来看，昨美国的明尼苏达州的警方接到报案去处理一件家庭暴力的事件，因为厝里有7个囡仔，所以特别细腻。落尾嫌犯是向警方开枪，造成2个警察甲1个消防员死亡，1个嫌犯嘛防弹死。
明尼苏达州2位警察甲1位消防员是伫接到报案电话了出动，到伯恩斯维尔1号民宅内面。迄当阵，1个野情的查甫人甲伊的家人拢伫咧厝内。
There were 7 young children in the home, ranging from ages 2 to 15. They spent quite a bit of time negotiating with this individual who was barricaded in the home. At one point during that barricaded situation, the subject opened fire on the officers. At approximately 8 a.m., the subject was reported to be deceased in the home. Certainly, several officers did return fire. I will note that this individual had several guns and large amounts of ammunition and shot at the police officers from multiple positions within the home.
另外有1位受伤的警察已经送病于无性命危险。官员讲，警消伫咧集群时阵被枪杀，互人真伤心。
We pray that they go home to their families. And today, that's not happening.
当局表示，一开始报案时阵讲是家庭纠纷，警方到现场了才变做嫌犯甲警方互相开枪。2位警察艾姆史赞德甲路吉拢是27岁，伊那40岁消防员芬塞斯，伊也是特种武器甲建设部队的人员。伊是伫咧救助1位受伤的警察时阵被枪杀。 因那这号邻居内面所有人拢已经平安走出来，嫌犯死亡的详细原因也阁无清楚。警方对监视器、警察身份等的录影器材资料进行调查。公司新闻黄文玲编辑。